Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the Kargil War Memorial and paid homage to the brave hearts who made the ultimate sacrifice in service to the country. He visited the memorial to commemorate the 25th anniversary of Kargil War victory over Pakistan. On July 26, 1999, the Indian Army announced the successful culmination of Operation Vijay, declaring victory after a nearly 3 month long battle on the icy heights of Kargil in Ladakh. The day is observed as the Kargil Vijay Divas to commemorate India's victory over Pakistan in the war. Additionally, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Indian Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi, and many other prominent personalities led a wreath at the Kargil War Memorial in Dras and paid tribute to soldiers who lost their lives in the 1999 Kargil War. Akbar Ali, a resident of Chuliskambo village, called on the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, at Rajnivas in Kargil. Additional Deputy Commissioner Kargil, Sohail Ahmed, and Additional Superintendent of Police Kargil, Nitin Yadav, were present during the meeting. Ali informed the LG about the inquiry regarding the funds allotted for various projects under the Consular Constituency Development Fund in Chuliskambo constituency. He informed the LG that UT administration has set up a committee to inquire into the matter, but the committee still has not submitted the report. He requested the LG to expedite submitting the committee's report to the UD administration as soon as possible. Chairman CC LHDC Kargil Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhun attended Khelo India Rising Talent Identification organized by In Charge Sports Authority of India Kargil at Sai Center Kargil. Joint Director Youth Services and Sports UT Ladakh Moses Kunzang was the guest of honor. In charge Sai Center Kargil Gulam Mustafa, coaches, physical education teachers and students attended the event. In this address, the CC appreciated the efforts of the Youth Services and Sports Department in developing sports infrastructure and promoting sports in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev inaugurated the upgradation of the meeting hall of Rural Development Department Leh in the presence of Assistant Commissioner Development Leh A.D. Zargar. Additional District Development Commissioner Leh Sonam Nurbo and Chief Planning Officer Leh Sivong Gelson were also present during the inauguration. Additionally, DC Leh Santosh Sukhdev took a review meeting of the centrally sponsored schemes which included Manrega, PMAYG and SBMG. He also reviewed the status of district epics in NRLM. In a significant step towards promoting linguistic and educational development, Deputy Chairman LHDC Leh Sering Angchuk inaugurated the Bhoti Cell and a newly developed language lab at the District Institute of Education and Training Leh. The event marks a milestone in the efforts to preserve and promote the Bhoti language and enhance educational resources in the region.